Canva has a feature called Brand. You can see there's brand kits and brand templates. In brand kits, you'll see that every school has access to the TCDSB brand kit, and individual schools can request a brand kit by going to the digital learning integration page and clicking on Canva resources and clicking on the brand kit request form. Note that this form has to be filled out by school administrators, and this form should include uploaded files and color information. Brand kits are great because they enable every member of the team to have access to commonly used elements like logos, school colors, and any other photos or graphics that are commonly used on things like brochures, presentations, anything like that. And in brand templates, the TCSB has provided standard templates such as the flyer template, presentation, brochure, and school newsletter template. These templates can be customized to your school using your brand kit, and you can create your own templates to be used at your school. Let me show you how. I'm going to open the school newsletter template, and I'm going to select use this brand template. I'm just going to change the name. I'm going to go to the brand kit, and I'm going to take the logo and I'm going to put it on this front page, just so when you look at the preview of the template, you can tell quickly that this is the customized one. Make sure you read all this important information about this template. You're going to want to customize all of this information and customize your colors. Some items are locked. You would need to unlock them to change them. They have the ability to change all here. This doesn't always come up, but when it does, it's really handy to change all at once. These here are image boxes. You can actually take images from the elements, lots of photos and graphics to choose from, and you drag and drop them right in here. And there's a calendar right at the end as well. Because your calendar is going to look different for every newsletter, I would recommend in your template taking off all of the little icons and putting in some placeholder text, just so that you don't have to remove them every single time. And so you don't accidentally leave something on here that doesn't belong. When you're done customizing, all you have to do is go share, see all, brand template. Make sure you do not click share to all teams in the TCDSB. This way it will stay within your school team. I'm going to click add and publish. To use the template most effectively, go to create a design, select newsletter, and then go to your brand templates. Click this brand template, and you don't need to apply all 12 pages. Click the pages that I think I'm going to need. This month, I know I'm going to need this one, and I'm going to need these images, and I'm going to need the calendar. And you can do this with any of the templates that are posted for you.